Flybar here, and I just want to take time out since it's a rainy day today, and just kind of share with you my thoughts about this hobby and the direction that I want to take this channel. I was asked if I still own the Parrot Bebop 2, and the answer is yes, I do. But it's not about any certain type of product or brand name. My channel is about flying and sharing what I like to do with others. This is the only hobby that I can think of that is truly stress relieving. It relieves all anxiety just for those few minutes, 15 minutes of time, 20 minutes of time maybe, that you have the quadcopter in the air and the only thought you have is keeping it in the air. So I have to ask you this. Does it really matter the type of camera drone we own? Or the quadcopter that we fly? Or the brand of controller that we hold in our hands? I say no. The only thing that does matter is that we're out, we're flying, and we're enjoying this hobby. I purchased the Parrot Bebop 2 after many weeks spent on YouTube watching reviews, many of them yours. But I must admit that the Parrot Bebop 2 was not my first choice of camera drone. In fact, I had another camera drone in a shopping cart waiting to be purchased until I found a better deal, and that better deal was the Parrot Bebop 2 FPV package. What I love about the Bebop 2 is that it's rock solid. It locks into GPS real quick. It's real easy to fly. It's real stable. The altitude hold is it's something phenomenal. It's rock solid. It handles wind very well, and plus it has a really nice stabilized 1080p camera. If you're in the market to purchase your first entry-level hobby-grade camera drone, I would advise you to go ahead and give the Parrot Bebop 2 great consideration. Now, is this going to be my only and last camera drone? The answer is absolutely not. I'm always in the market. I'm always looking for other great deals that are out there. And as soon as I find one that fits my price point, I'm going to jump on it, and I will have that featured on my channel. So with that said, do not be surprised if I show up with a Hubsan X4 on my channel, or a unique product, or Autel, or even for that matter a DJI. For me, I love flying, and the brand itself, it does not matter. The only thing that does matter is if I get a good deal. So my final thoughts of the Parrot Bebop 2: buy it. If you are in the market for your first camera drone, no questions asked, buy it. I would highly advise you against paying full retail for it. I would do what I did, and that's to be patient, because manufacturer refurbished products come on for sale all the time, and that's exactly how I purchased mine. I bought the whole FPV package for a mere $288, which is by far cheaper than what these are retail. I think right now the retail price of the Parrot Bebop Power is $599. So yeah, I never buy anything that I fly full price because I'm likely to break it. So I would highly advise you to do the same, especially if this is your first quadcopter. Buy it as cheap as you possibly can, but do consider the Parrot Bebop 2.